Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping with Ian. Today, simple stamping for beginners. Now then, the way this has come about, my upline Helen runs a challenge in our team group, and someone volunteers each month, and Helen buys the stamp set of our choice, up to a value, obviously, you know, nothing extravagant. and then we do 4 projects for the group. September, I volunteered, and the theme is Case the Catalogue, which I love doing anyway. So this is what we're going to be doing. Can you see that? Beautifully simple. Okay, we're going to recreate that. The tools we're using, I'll be using our bone folder, our blending pen, black ink, soft succulent ink, fresh freesia, pale papaya, and of course our wonderful stamparatus. The stamp set is full of love, which is this here. This is beautiful, and it's an ideal colouring set. You know, you could use watercolour pencils, you could use our alcohol markers, which is what actually I'm casing the catalogue from the recipes that we have access to, and it does say to use the alcohol markers. I don't have the colours, which is why I'm using the inks and a blending pen. So that's that. So first thing we do is we get our cardstock. I keep moving this stamparatus around. Okay, so half A4, which is A5, folded into 2, gives us an A6 card. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that up there. This is how I fold my cards now, because it gets it straight every single time. There we go. So, did I give you the measurements? 8 1/4 by 5 7/8. This will be our stamping piece, which is 3 7/8 by 5 5/8. Now then, step 1. Stamp. Now, I'm doing it this way. I know it seems a bit weird, but it's all in shot. Okay. So that's the card goes around that way, and we make sure it's level, like so. Put our magnet in place. Okay, we'll get our memento black, splash it all over. Okay, cover your ink pads and stamp. Give it a bit of a rub, and beautiful, yeah? So I'm going to let that dry a second before we start colouring it. Now then, so put that out of the way. Right. How did I manage to do that? I don't have any ink anywhere on my fingers. I suspect there'll be an embellishment going there. Have I put any embellishment? I've not put any embellishments on that one, but I might just dot a few around. Yeah. So our first colour, I think we'll do this big flower down here. Make sure the pen is clean. Right, depending how long this takes, I may speed it up. You'll soon know, because I'll soon start doing this. You know that I've actually speeded it up. So, here we go. I could never colour, you know, as a child. but Stampin' Up has made it so easy. Love, 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 you know. So here we go. Hoping everybody is well. And there we go. That's our first flower. Clean our pen. Close your ink pads. Next flower. Fresh freesia. Let's say. So delicate. It's just so adorable, isn't it? Oh, and apologise for the last video. Apparently my legs were on show. I don't think that's the case this time though. I paid special attention as to where the camera was for this video. There we go. Lovely, isn't it? Now, just the leaves. I suppose you could go slightly out of the line, so you give it a little bit of a kind of a watercolor effect, but I haven't done that. That's the colouring done. Current embellishments. Just some pearls, you know. Some nice delicate pearls would do. Got me pokey tool. I do have the take your pick tool as well from Stampin' Up, but I find this easier. One, there you go. Oh. Is it on the finger? No, it can't be. And we'll send one over that way and one over there. Okay, I think it is on this finger, you know. So, get rid of that. We now need our wonderful dimensionals. I'm using the edge pieces, you see. Waste not, want not. I think the saying was in the 1970s or whenever it was. And assemble. So there we go, peeps. What do you think? Leave me a note in the comments. That's the one we've just made. That's the one that's going to have I like that, so I'm going to put some embellishments on it. Okay, so whatever you're doing today, have a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Be well.